The North America Free Trade Agreement. In 1994, the governments of the United States, Canada, and Mexico signed an agreement called the North American Free Trade Agreement, or NAFTA. This agreement took away all tariffs on goods traded among the three countries. Leaders said that by taking away the tariffs, trade among the countries would increase. A large free trade zone would lead to an increase in the standard of living for all people in the three countries. NAFTA did other things besides making the world's largest free trade zone. It created special rules that protected artists from having their work copied illegally. Rules were added to make sure that people in the three countries could trade fairly with each other and would have to follow similar laws. Many people feared NAFTA. In the United States, many believed that companies would move their factories to Mexico because labor costs were lower there. This would mean a loss of jobs for American workers. Opponents were also concerned that there would be an increase in air and water pollution in Mexico and in the southwest United States. Question number 1. The main purpose of NAFTA was to do what? Increase trade by creating a large free trade zone, create tariffs between Canada, Mexico, and the United States, decrease the standard of living for some people while raising it for others, keep people in one country from buying goods from the other two countries. Question number 2. Which issue did some people think would be a problem with NAFTA? Increases in immigrants from Mexico to the United States, decreases in income to governments because of lower tariffs, increases in pollution in Mexico and the southwest United States, decreases in the standard of living for the people of the three countries. Question number 3. Which problem did many Americans believe would result from? American factory workers would lose their jobs. The countries would not have a strong central government. Many immigrants would come to the United States from Mexico. Rules about trading fairly between different countries would be removed. Number 4. Another part of NAFTA stated that you could not copy artists' or musicians' work illegally. Is that true or false? Number 5. In 1994, the governments of the United States, Canada, and Europe signed an agreement that's called the North America Free Trade Agreement. True or false?